Welcome back, Kia owners. And for those of you that have never been here before, welcome to my channel. While we have a moment here, don't forget to check out my other Kia DIY repair videos. Just click above on the right hand corner, it'll take you there. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these videos. Okay, here's a quick video showing you where your starter relay is located. It's pretty easy to find, and it's pretty easy to remove in case you need to change it out. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is pop your hood and go over to the driver's side, and you're going to see a black box right where the red arrow's at. And where it's located is right here in this box. You're going to press on these two tabs here. Press in on each side at the same time and just lift up. You can see what you need to do when you press on the tab. Now what you're going to do is you're going to locate your starter relay. It's right here. And on the other side is your AC relay. These two relays are the same. What you're going to do is you're going to exchange these two relays and you're going to plug them in. You're just going to swap them out. Once you've done that, go in your car and see if it starts. If it starts, just go to your parts store and buy a relay and replace it. But if it doesn't start, well, that's telling me you might have a bad starter. But before you do anything, watch my YouTube video. So if your starter needs to be replaced, click above on the right hand corner and it'll take you to my how to diagnose to see if you have a bad starter and how to remove it if you have a bad one YouTube video. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.